The question is this: how do I manage the invitations that I've sent and I need to withdraw them because they're piling up too big? It's this easy. Go to My Network. Once on My Network, you either go over here where it says See All 25 or Manage All, whatever it says, and you click on that. This is your received invites, the ones that have come in. You've got to manage these as well. These are your sent invites. Click on Sent, and this is all the ones you sent. My recommendation, go all the way to the end of the last page and start there and start withdrawing, which takes 3 clicks. Withdraw, withdraw, X. And withdraw all the ones, my recommendation, that are older than a month old. Because if they're older than a month old, no, they're not being accepted. You can come back later on and you can send them again at another time. But it's withdraw and withdraw. And generally what I suggest is just use the withdrawal button. Withdraw, 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 withdraw. As many as you want to get rid of. Go to previous pages as many as you want to. And then you come back here and hit the X and clear this out later. That's the answer to how to withdraw sent invites that have not been accepted. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope that's helpful.